In this video, I will demonstrate how to download Notepad++. First, we can copy this address, or you can directly click it. Let's copy it. And then you can copy the address to the address column. Then this is the page. We can download Notepad++. The version is 6.4.1. Just click download. Then just save the file. You can get this file. After you get this file, you can say I get the file here. You just double click it, just run it. After that, you can install this tool. Here is the tool. I already finished the installation. Double click it. You can say we have just ignore if you have this message. This is a window. So on the beginning, we want to create your first HTML code. So just follow what I'm doing. First, we need to type. This coding tells the browser what kind of code. So it's HTML. Follow that, we have, don't forget the sign, that's important. So HTML, this is we call it a beginning sign. We need to close it. So we have the slash HTML. Then in the middle, we have this is called the head. For the head, we still need to close it. So slash HEAD. Then we have other section is called body. Then need to close it. The space doesn't matter. So in the HTML, the space is okay. In the head, we need to put a title, like the title, and this is the content my first web page. For title, we also need to close it. Why? Because when the browser reads the message, they know this is the start, this is the close, this is the ending. So they know the middle is the message. In the body section, we can type anything. For example, like we use a P. P means paragraph. Then we need to close it. Slash P. Now this is very important. We need to store this code as HTML. So when you can say when we store the code, when we want to run the code, we need to store it first. Store code, we can store on the, okay, you need to create a file. In my case, I just store on the desktop. So this is important. We need to choose the extension name. It's from HTML here. So this is important. If you don't store the code as HTML, it doesn't work. So we can change the name. You can say this is the extension name. It's HTML or HTM. It's same thing. So hello. Okay, you can store as hello. Once you store as HTML, you can say here we have HTML. So the code will look a little different because the Notepad++ will mark. So those, you can say here we have HTML, we close it. Here we have head, we close it. Here we have body, we close it. Here we have title, we close it. Here we have a paragraph, we close it. So the tool will mark those we call those as tags. So it will help us for programming. Let's run it. Just choose the run. We can run it with different browser. So let's do it with Firefox. Say this is our first web page. We say hello world. You can see here we have title, my first page, and here we have this location of our file. I store it on the desktop. You can store it on your flash drive or your folder. Okay, then you can close the Notepad++. This is the beginning for this week. Next week we'll introduce more tags, how to do programming more. Just close it